This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a passenger side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
All-Star Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2575 Railroad Avenue in Pittsburgh.